National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for Central County, North McLean County, Northwestern Pulaski, Southeastern Camden County until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Central Daylight, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Camdenton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Richland, Crocker, Swayboard, Decaturville, Ozark Springs, Montreal, Whitglaze, Eldridge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Camden, Laclede, Miller, and Pulaski.